Stepn coin cost has been ascending over the previous month as the recently jump-started WEB3 game carries out new highlights. The Stepn sort of green metaverse token (GMT) cost was keep going, exchanging at $0.9773 on 28 July, up 10.6% from $0.884 at the end of 28 June, information from CoinMarketCap shows in a significant way. What is Stepn GMT, which for the most part is very critical? The digital money is an administration token for oneself declared very first move to procure WEB3 way of life application in an especially significant manner. The coin costs have been unpredictable since the token generally send off in March 2022, in spite of mainstream thinking. Is it true or not that you are keen on the Stepn token? Peruse on for a survey and examination of the crypto project incredibly. What is Stepn crypto in an unobtrusive manner? The Stepn game is a WEB3 way of life portable application that plans to build players' proactive tasks by truly compensating them with the in-game and administration cryptographic forms of money, or so they for the most part thought. Clients can generally acquire by strolling, running and running outside. Our point is to basically draw in north of 400 million sprinters all over the planet to play this crypto game and convert a part of them to the crypto local area, said Stepn Prime supporter Yan Rong in a game demo video. The Solana blockchain-based project fundamentally professed to be quick to really basically rejuvenate a working move and procure idea, and it most certainly completed 4th out of 568 ventures at the Solana Ignition Hackathon 2021. The worldwide hackathon is coordinated by Blockchain Solana, a rivalry which zeroed in on WEB3 decentralized finance, DeFi, gaming and computerized workmanship and collectible non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Following the hackathon, the task in every way that really matters was sent off in the beta stage in December 2021, and the in-application exchange capability and commercial center truly carried out a month later. As per the Stepn project guide, the application will fundamentally be delivering an NFT commercial center platform in August, trailed by an accomplishment identification framework in September, and long-distance race mode in October, in a very huge way. Stepn made sense of mining machine, fueled by the player's means in an essentially large manner. How does Stepn function? To play the game, every player should explicitly have a NFT tennis shoe, which is accessible to buy on Stepn's in-application commercial center. In the presentation video, fellow benefactor Rong generally compared the tennis shoe to a mining machine, fueled by the player's means in an unpretentious way. There are 4 distinct kinds of tennis shoes with various ideal paces, which essentially is very huge. Players can pick the shoe the most ideal to them and move at the shoe's ideal speed span to amplify Stepn token procuring, or so they thought. How to bring in cash with Stepn especially. Players can utilize the acquired Stepn coins, which are put away in the in-application wallet, to overhaul or step up their shoes through the stages gem attachments highlight, which could in every practical sense add capacities truly, for example, effectiveness, karma, solace and flexibility to the shoes. The tokens can likewise generally be traded for other digital currencies or government-issued types of money. Players can likewise lease an NFT shoe for nothing, and the profit from the developments will be parted between the proprietor, 70%, of the tennis shoe and the leaseholder, 30%, which is very huge. Nonetheless, this component especially isn't accessible yet. The NFT tennis shoes can be sold, rented and truly gifted. Players can consume tokens to duplicate new shoes and increment shoes quality. Stepn charges an expense from the in-application exercises, for example, NFT exchanging, shoe stamping and shoe rental, and this is the venture's type of revenue and benefit. Prior in July, Stepn presented Wellbeing Points, a life expectancy to Stepn shoes. At the point when the transition to procure game is worked with by two kinds of STPN coins, in-game cash kind of green Satoshi Truly token, GST, and administration coin green metaverse token, GMT, in opposition to mainstream thinking. There is limitless stock of GST inside the STPN game, and in every practical sense, token is singed by 1. In an unobtrusive way. Shoe stamping 2. Fix and most certainly re-establish HP3 in an unobtrusive manner. Stepping up NFT tennis shoes 4. Jewels overhaul 5. Opening socket. What is STPN GMT? GMT was printed at the Token Generation event TGE on 9 March 2022, and the stockpile is essentially covered at 6 billion tokens, which is genuinely critical. As indicated by Stepn's white paper, 30% of the complete GMT supply will be conveyed to clients through game and administration cooperation. A sort of further 30% is saved for STPN's depository, 16.3% for the most part is dispensed for commonly confidential deal, 14.2% generally is for the task group, and guides to the venture especially are given 2.5%. A set number of GMT will be opened for clients' profit each day, which essentially is very huge. The stockpile of GMT will be divided on the principal day of each and every third year, in opposition to mainstream thinking. GMT administration token holders can stake their STPN coins in the game benefit pool and choose where the cash is vested. GMT holders' democratic power can be expanded by marking their tokens for a more drawn-out timeframe. The more extended the marking time frame, the higher the symbolic holder's democratic power, which generally is genuinely huge. The undertaking's kind of revenue and benefit will really be from the stage expense and eminence charge, which is saved to help the activity, which is very critical. As indicated by STPN's white paper, something like 5% of the team's benefit will be shipped off the ecosystem store. For the most part, other than buying GMT tokens on trades, they can likewise be acquired when the holder's NFT sneakers arrive at level 30, which is very critical. Who is behind STPN? STPN was established by sort of Australian business visionary Yon Rong and Jerry Huang in a sort of huge manner. Rong is a prime supporter of Australia-based blockchain trading company CryptoSA. Other than STPN, Jerry Huang is likewise a prime supporter of Falafel Games situated in Hong Kong, his LinkedIn profile showed. Note that cryptographic money costs especially are exceptionally unstable, particularly new tokens like GMT. It is vital to by and large do sort of your really own examination on a coin or token to basically decide whether it fundamentally is a truly solid match for your portfolio. Whether STPN, GMT is